Hello everyone. So today I'm in Ajah and we are touring this 4-bedroom semi-detached home. Quality finishing, minimalistic. You absolutely love this home. If you're currently in the market looking for a 4-bedroom semi-detached home in Ajah, a very good location, you absolutely want to consider this particular building. The car park space can take up to 2 or 3 cars depending who is driving. And of course we have good windows to enable quality ventilation, perfect for family home. So before we go inside, you quickly want to hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel, like, share, comment, and let me know what you think of this home. Welcome home. All right, so let's take a quick tour on this home. Fresh in the market.
Okay, so there's a sound glitch on this part. I didn't notice until I was editing the video. So the car park space can take up to 3 cars. Of course, depending on the size of a car. Then you already have this shade installed for you. All you need to do is just probably put a cover and all of that. So that's the side work. It doesn't come with a boys quarters. It doesn't have a boys quarters. It's just a 4-bedroom semi-detached. Asking price is 170 million. It's located in a very serene environment, a good estate just before the Lagos Business School, and it's very close to the expressway. So this is the primary living area, and of course the property is negotiable. Asking is 170 million. It's negotiable. So this is like another view of the home, just so you can see what the entire primary living area looks like. So the sound is good from here, so let's take it up.
Just by my right, you have the visitors room and the kitchen. So let's look at this quickly. That's your wardrobe. This is it. The bathroom is just right here. Have your kitchen just this way. So no island, just have your kitchen design. You have your microwave there. You have your 5-burner gas cooker. You have your heat extractor. Then over here, you have your pantry. Have your pantry just right here. They've even set up like the cabinets for you. So this is your space for your washing machine. Then you have this space, with your tanker just up there. So this is your backyard. So this is the kitchen from this corner again. All right, let's go upstairs. Another view of the sitting area from here. Okay, just by the staircase, you have your visitor's restroom. And let's go upstairs. So for this, you have your sensor lights just beside the staircase. Okay. So when you come up, you have this space here. You've got this space, and by my left, we'll have 2 rooms. So it's a 4-bedroom semi-detached home. That's your wardrobe right there. You have your bathroom here. Your walk-in shower. Across, you have another room. This is your room. You have your wardrobe just behind the door. Then your shower is just right here. So over here you have your masters. Have a master's bedroom just right here. That's your closet. So 4 bed, asking price is 170. It's negotiable. What do you think? You have your walk-in shower just right there. All right. It has a mini balcony. Then this is your balcony. And if you look just down there, that's where you have the Lekki Ekpe Expressway. Okay. So let me know what you think of this project. Priced at 170 million is actually negotiable, right? So we can still help you do the negotiation, beat it down. So if you are looking for an affordable home within the Ajah axis, an estate that is secure and very serene, that is close to the Lekki Ekpe Expressway, you strongly want to consider this one. So let me know and let's get you home. Thank you.